In this video, I'll show you how you can calculate their age from only the date of birth. Now I have a formula that you can use and I'll put this in the description, and it looks just like this. You want to type equals DATEDIF, then bracket, and then select your date of birth, then use a comma and type today, which is today's date, then double bracket, comma, and then you want to formulate the year. Y stands for year. So let's do this one and let's put it in here. Obviously, we want to change this one to this, and it will now give us their age. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. I'll put this in the description so you can copy and paste it. Obviously, you need to change the column, and that's about it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.